Hi guys, Rick with OrthoTape here today. Wanted to share with you one of our newest products. What we have here is a Bluetooth app-controlled TENS device. It's also an EMS device as well. Now, most people use the TENS device for pain therapy. For example, myself, I actually use one of these every day on my back every morning as I get out of bed, just to get my back muscles relieved of pain. So if you have morning back pain, this is definitely a great product for you. What also this item does is it also does EMS, which is muscle stimulation. So after you've gone to the gym, a lot of times you get lactic acid buildup in your muscles. And so what you're going to want to do is go ahead and put one of these on in that muscle location. And go ahead and do some electrical stimulation to those muscle groups. That'll help also speed up the recovery as well. So a lot of athletes like to use items such as this. This item, it comes with a sticky back. It's great. You can also wash this often. The product comes straight off like that, so you can replace the pads very easy. Just snap them right back in place. Every one of the products come with at least 3 pads with them, but you can also order extra pads as well if you wanted to have extra pads or you needed to replace them. Personally, what I always do is I always go and sort of wash this off. It's just a sticky little back. You'll peel this piece off right here. You'll see that that's pretty much a sticky area, and so what you can do is you can wash this off under the sink, and then in another video we'll probably show you how to actually take care of it. You want to make sure you take that off if you do end up washing this pad and running it under a little water and then allowing it to dry. But we'll have a separate video for that to show you how to take care of the product as well. So let me show you a little bit how the app actually works. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the App Store and you're going to type in Dr. Stim. S-T-I-M, and you're going to find the app right here. So basically you just download it. I have it already on my phone, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the open button, and then you can go to connect device. All you do to connect the device is you push the button. You'll see it starts blinking. You can actually connect 2 devices, which is kind of cool. So if you want to do multiple areas, or let's say you wanted to do 2 areas of your muscles in your muscle groups, like 2 calf muscles, you can do something like that. So first of all, you have to connect the first device, and then you'll have to hit the button. See, that shows that it's been connected. We have 2 devices that are connected to it. So now we've got 2 devices that are connected to our app controlled Bluetooth device here. So the next thing to do is to check out the instructions. Here it says the pad instructions. You can choose the area of stimulation that you're looking for. So you have neck, shoulder, waist, arm, back, leg, abdomen. It also has a situation here for menstrual cramps as well. So in this case, I'm going to use the back area for me. That I always do that in the morning. So I'm going to hit start the treatment. Now the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and push that button. You're going to feel a little bit of a little push from the electrical device. The one thing I really like about this one versus our other version is this one has a lot more power to it. So you can really increase that power to what you want. You can bump it up pretty high. You can also set the timer as well to go like longer, so 60 minutes as well. And you can see both of those are flashing. So what they're doing is stimulating as well. The really cool thing about this TENS device as well, it also has 6 different measurements or different settings that you can use. So on these you have different ones like cupping or needling, things like that. So if you get a chance, go through all 6 of those. They're actually pretty neat. And then it has 6 different settings for the electrical muscle stimulation as well. So that also is a great feature as well. You notice it even has an ab setting here, so you could always put this on your abs as well, and that will also create muscle stimulation too. Another great feature of this is it has a history. It'll tell you what you've done before, what you've done, how long you've done it as well. And it also goes to the last treatment, which is kind of sort of my favorite, because if I find the treatment that I like and I wanted to go back to the last one that I had before, I just go ahead and go to that last treatment and then hit that start the treatment as well. And then I can, start the setting again. So again, you have different options here, to go ahead and change this around. You can change it to that one, change it to this one. You can go to the EMS settings and then change it to that as well, real quick on the fly. If it doesn't connect right away, the best thing to do is just go back to connect device, hit that button again, or close the app down, then restart the app as well. And especially once you've downloaded the app, you'll want to make sure that you definitely do a restart of your phone, so that way your phone gets acclimated to the settings. So if you get a chance, give this wonderful, great product a try, and we'd love to hear your reviews of it as well. This is a brand new product, so of course we don't have many reviews on it yet, but we're looking forward to seeing what you, the customer, think about this product.